My name is Jeff Porter, and I'm from Dallas, Texas. I was alternatively certified here. 61, a widow, unfortunately. And I've always been interested in Alaska, and I was fortunate enough to go up to Alaska about a year ago, and I taught in Kotzebue, which is a wonderful place. It's about 30 miles north of the Arctic Circle. Loved it. Want to go up there and do some more teaching. I'm planning on going back to Kayana, which is pretty close to there. I need to take this course to complete my license. This is me in front of the school in my Arctic weather. I was brand new up there, had to learn a lot of stuff, but I really did like the people. I really like the schools. I like the kids, and I think I've got a lot to offer. This year I'll be teaching CTE, which is going to be a little different. I've taught math before. This is a picture of the shop that I have at home, and basically where I get all my skills from. I'll be teaching things like woodworking and how to orient, use compass, that sort of thing for the Arctic stuff. A couple other things too, PE, that sort of thing. Unfortunately, I had to leave my dog at home. She'll be staying with my brother in Florida while I'm gone. A few comments on the reading that we had to do. I was impressed how he talked about how archaeology can sometimes get into a conflict, which seemed to have happened quite a bit there at the beginning. We've learned a lot of lessons about what's good and what's not good. He talked a little bit about that in the thing there. He made comments about how we now have to go in with the locals and talk to them and see how they can help us and how we can understand more and not be so negative towards the population and bring in their culture into our experience. That's very important. We have to recognize that fact, and I think a lot of people are. I've seen a lot of that on TV like that now, where people are talking about how they have to be careful when there's a burial site found, that sort of thing. The whole village has to get involved. They're really important to this thing. Sometimes they can give you information that'll get you where you need to go, and so forth. Another comment he made in there was about fishing sets the pace of a subsistence year. And I wasn't up there during the summer, so I didn't really see any fishing. So I'm looking forward to seeing that. And being there for longer. I was only there for half a year last time, so I really didn't see much of the real life of the villages. But I'm looking forward to it. The reading was interesting, and I'm looking forward to taking the class.